These are the 28 through 38 elevators at Tampa City Center in Tampa, Florida. We're going up to 38. It says car O. Used to be Otis Series 1. I got modded by Kone. Interesting how now it shows all the floors passing, even the ones the elevator doesn't serve.
Here's your inspection certificate real quick.
Here's your cab view. Let's go G. Car N. I'll cut the one we get. Again, these are really nice elevators. It's a shame they got modded, but they're still just as fast. And, in my opinion, just as neat. Took a little while, but we got car N. This one says Express Zone, interestingly enough. There's a certificate on this one. Oh, and I forgot this is like the basement, so we gotta go back up.
Elevators crowded. Please wait. And renew your call.
Ooh, I've never seen that before. And it says N. I guess we just lost it, so I'll cut to when we get one back. You can see the freight elevator right here, which I would ride, but looks kind of busy. So we're gonna wait till we get elevator N back. Let's try the handicap mode.
Panel locked. Select floor. Elevator A.
Alright, we're going for one more ride. Let's end it back down at 2. We got N one last time. So let's just get another look at the cab. There is a security camera in here, although it's kind of hard to see. It's right up there. It's actually kind of small, I almost didn't notice it. And this one does have an up-to-date certificate. It says August 2026 is the expiration. And you can tell this one's going back up. Or at least it said for a second it was going to 33.
Maybe I should try and print something to it and get familiar.
And that'll be it.